Hi, this is Jake at Optery. These are the steps to remove your information from AnalyticsIQ. By the way, this is brought to you by Optery, the best company for removing your personal information from the internet. Visit AnalyticsIQ and scroll to the bottom of the page. Click Do Not Sell or Share My Personal Information. Select the request type that applies to you. Fill out the form with your details, enter the security code, and click Submit. You'll receive an email with identity verification instructions. Open the email and click Confirm Email. A message will appear confirming your opt-out. Finally, you'll get an email confirming your request. Your info will be removed from their site. Congratulations on opting out of AnalyticsIQ. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.